Hi, Chris here. Today I wanted to talk to you about how to transplant a plant from the nursery to your garden. This is a lavender plant, a head-caught lavender plant, and I'm actually taking out a lavender that didn't make it. We had a rough winter last year with 6 months of 6-foot deep snow, and the lavenders didn't like it, so I'm replacing some of my lavender this year. And this head-caught plant came from a local nursery, and we're going to put it in. I have a hole here already dug, and it's all prepared, and we're just going to come down here and get this plant ready. I'm putting some kelp meal in it. Kelp meal is really good. It helps, gives the plants trace minerals and helps them establish really strong roots. I just put it in the planting hole. Stir up the dirt so that the kelp meal's mixed in. Massage the plant slightly. You can see that this plant is a little bit root bound. And take it out. Now, as you can see, the roots on this plant are quite badly root bound. We're just going to massage that with our fingers. Just a gentle massage. It won't hurt the plants. What we need is for those roots to start to come out so that they don't, if they stay wrapped around the ball like this, then the plant's going to die because these feeder roots are not going to find their way into the soil. So we have to massage it so that the roots are actually pointing out from the plant so that they'll continue that path into the loose soil. A little massage. Now when we plant it, we want to put it in at the same depth that it was in the pot. Not too deep. It's a little bit too deep. We'll put a little bit more dirt back in the hole. That's about right. And then we just work this dirt all the way around that plant, tucking it in as we go. Make sure that the plant gets dirt all the way around so those feeder roots have some place to go. If there's any places where there's no dirt, those feeder roots are going to air prune and the plant will lose those roots, which won't be a good thing when a plant is this large. As you can see, we're going to just tuck this plant in just a little bit more. And then the last step is to really firm that plant in. So I know you've been told never step on soil, but when you're transplanting, we're going to break that rule because the best thing is to use your foot. Your foot can tell when it taps into the ground if there's a hole that needs a little bit more dirt. And there she is, all nicely planted. We'll give her a good drink of water, and this head-caught lavender will be ready to grow. So thanks for joining me in this transplanting adventure as we transplanted lavender into the garden.